Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite. 700 watts, peak blending power for powerful ice crushing. 700-watt power blender continuously pulls mixture down into the blades. Multifunction blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Multifunction blender with unique, no-mess pouring spout. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Oster Blender Pro 1200. Smart settings technology and 7 speeds including 3 pre-programmed settings. Dual direction blade technology for extra blending power to chop. 1200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power. 6-cup dishwasher safe Boro-class glass jar withstands thermal shock. Featuring a 50% larger blade system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. NutriBullet Blender Combo. The NutriBullet Combo Blender is our one-for-all option. 1200 watts of power let you make an endless array of smoothies. Pitcher is the ultimate countertop titan. The easy twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel. Simply place pitcher and cups in the dishwasher and rinse. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Ninja Professional Blender. High-powered kitchen tool with 1100 watts of power. 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds. 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized. Capacity to create creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free parts single-serve blade assembly. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Vitamix 5200. Easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. Radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. Hardened stainless steel blades. Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. 7-year full warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.